Hello Kim, I'm up here in the corner and I'm going to put my desktop up so we can see what you see. Alrighty. So here is the class, and then I'm going to go to content, course content. And what I'll also do is I will put this on student mode. So I'll take instructor mode off so I see exactly what you guys see. Alrighty. And so you're going down to module 2. So it has the Storybird, communication and listening. So you're looking at customer service discussion. All right. Assignment, 10 points possible. So you do not see this. Okay. Let's go back to the module 2 part. So here is where you submit the customer service experiences. So this takes you to, here we go, you already submitted. Very nice. Okay. And then if you responded to 2 of your other colleagues, then you should be all good with that. And I'm going to go back to course content. All right. So for module 2, you are looking through this stuff. You have assignment 2, so you click on customer service scenarios. So there are 2 different customer service things that you need to do. This one right here is customer service scenarios. And then this one right here is to respond to the discussion board, which you already did. So let's click on customer service scenarios. And what it is here is think of 2 customer-patient difficult situations. How would you handle them effectively? Write out the situation and role play what you would say. So essentially what I'm asking you to do is to think of 2 times in your life where you either had to give good customer service to a customer or to a patient, and it was a difficult situation, and how did you handle that? So what you would do is you would write this up in Microsoft Word, click on Browse My Computer, and then grab the Microsoft Word document, click Open, and hit Submit over here. And you can't see it. You can't see it from where you were, but it was over in the right-hand corner. Here we go. So over here in the right-hand corner, you can hit Submit after you've submitted it. So let me know if there's anything that you need to know additionally, and we can sort that out. Talk to you soon.